Hi, I'm Steph from Steph's Hairstyles for Girls. I love doing hair and helping others learn how to do hair as well. This is the Fishtail Figure 8 chain. We're going to start with all the hair in a ponytail. We're going to take some from one side and some from the other. This hairstyle works best with wet hair. I'm just going to put a ponytail in the middle one to keep it separate from the other ones. I'm going to split this piece into two, and we're going to do the fish hairstyle where you just get a little bit from the outside and take it to the middle and add it to that other piece over there. Then you're going to take, on the left, you take a little bit from the outside of the left piece and move it over to the right piece. Then you're going to get a little bit from the outside of the right piece and move it into the middle. You just have two strands here. You're just going to keep doing that same thing. I'm just using my pointer finger to get a little bit. The smaller the pieces you make, the longer it's going to take you to do the fishtail, but it looks very nice. So if you want to do a little bit more so it doesn't take quite so long, you can do that as well. Just try to make it the same thickness each time you take those little pieces. We're just going to do this over and over until you get to the bottom. At the bottom, I'm just going to put an elastic on it and go to the other side and do the exact same thing on the other side. With both sides in the fishtail braid, I'm going to go to the middle and straighten it out, and then I'm going to use an elastic, a clear elastic, and I'm going to want about 4 fingers down. Just kind of have some kind of a measurement so they look the same. It's about 4 fingers down, and then I'm going to use my topsy tail. I'm going to push it right into the middle and get a little bit of hair. I'm going to bring one side into the middle and cross it over, and then the other side cross it over. Bring that hair piece that you just got up through the topsy tail, hold on to it, grab the bottom of the topsy tail and pull it through. Try to grab that piece of hair as it comes out, so that's how you tighten that right there. A little bit of hair sticking out I'm going to try to take care of, and I'm just going to pull that tight. Now I'm going to go down about 4 finger lengths and put another hair tie in. I like to use the clear ones just to try to not see it as much. Put it in, do the exact same thing. Make sure there's 4 finger width so it's about the same as the other one. There we go. I'm going to use my topsy tail. Stick it right down the middle of that ponytail. Right in the middle. Get a little piece of hair from the front there. Cross over my fishtails. Bring that hair up through the topsy tail. You're going to find the topsy tail on the bottom and pull it through. And now I'm just going to use an elastic and put all of those together. And then I'm going to take a piece of hair and wrap it around so you can't see it. Kind of pull it out, make it look okay. I'm gonna wrap a piece of hair around. And then I'm going to use my topsy tail again and put that piece right down through the middle. Like I said earlier, this hairstyle works best with wet hair, so I didn't want to spend the time to blow dry. So since I don't have any more of the fishtail braid, I'm going to finish it off with a faux fish braid, which is just putting a elastic in it and then flipping it. So I'm going to do that twice since she has more hair to do that with. I'm going to put elastic in, and then I'm going to use the topsy-turvy to flip the hair over. I'm going to hide those elastics with hair around it. So I'm going to do 2 faux fishtails with my topsy-turvy, just with a flip. And then again, hide those elastics with the hair. I'm just going to do that twice just to finish off this hairstyle. The clear bands, the topsy tail, and the spray gel links are in the video details below. Since I use the topsy tail so much in my videos, I would like to give 2 of them away. If you would like a chance to get one of them, just click like, subscribe, and then comment below that you have done both. I will send a topsy tail to 2 lucky winners. And that's how you do the fishtail figure 8 chain. It looked pretty hard, but hopefully it wasn't as hard as you thought it was going to be. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd love to be able to help you. Thanks for watching. I hope you can enjoy doing fun hairstyles too.